Here's a Lakewood box fan that I picked up locally today. It's a brace blade, 3-speed fan. It's a little rough, but I picked this one up because I think it should clean up pretty good. Unless there's things wrong with it that I don't see. We're gonna find out. It has a Macmillan motor. The rear guard is pretty rough, but I think I have 1 or 2 spare guards for this sitting around somewhere that are probably in better shape than this, so that's not going to be a problem. It says it draws 2.1 amps on the motor there. Let's see if there's a model number on it. It's probably going to be the 200 something. Bottom's pretty rusty. Just in a couple spots though. So it just says 200. Doesn't say 200i. Looks like this is just the model 200. That's what I'm going to go with anyway. I didn't realize that these came with a brace blade before they changed the handles and the speed selector. I think I picked up another one of these last year, but it didn't have a brace blade. I don't think. Maybe it did and I just don't remember. Let's plug this thing in, see how it runs. I haven't tried it out yet. It has a polarized plug. I don't know when this fan would be from. Early 90s maybe. I really don't know. I'm sure I could find out though. Okay, so I guess we'll start it on low. Pretty low, if I do say so. Here's medium. Motor's humming a little bit and it's trying. It's moving along. We'll go to high. So she's definitely pretty stiff. I like it though. I like that it wasn't shaking. There wasn't a whole lot of vibration from it, so that's good. I think it should clean up pretty good once we get the motor cleaned and oiled. I think that this should turn out to be pretty good. We'll get that rust cleaned up and see what happens. Thanks for watching.